clean mouthpiece, nosepiece, and filter. Connect the mouthpiece to the filter and the filter to the clear bore tubing. Orient the mouthpiece so the two plastic tubes connected to the white flow head are pointing up. Check the connections. The spirometer pod should be plugged into channel 1 as shown. Also, make sure the USB cable is plugged into the computer. Before you begin recording data, you must calibrate the spirometer pod. To do so, place the connected equipment on the bench and do not touch the assembly. Select the drop-down menu on Flow in the upper right corner of the PowerLab window and click on Spirometer Pod. In the new window, click the 0 button and wait 15 seconds. Then click OK. After calibration, the subject puts on the nose piece, holds the flow head so the two plastic hose pieces point upward, and places the mouthpiece in her mouth. Next, a lab partner pushes the start button to start recording. Remind the subject to remain still during breathing. Here's an example of what a recording could look like. In the upper graph, the rate of airflow in liters per second is recorded over time. In the lower graph, the volume of air in liters is recorded over time. For the first 15 seconds, the subject breathes normally. After 15 seconds, ask the subject to complete a normal exhale and then inhale as much as possible, followed by a maximum exhale. After the maximum exhale, 3 more normal breaths were taken and the recording was stopped. Notice that in this example, the lower graph could be improved by adjusting the scale on the y-axis. To do this, click on the Auto Scale button, the green double arrow button at the top left of the screen. Disassemble the mouthpiece and filter. Place the mouthpiece and the nosepiece in the 70% ethanol container, and then rinse both pieces in distilled water. Then, return them to the clean mouthpieces and nosepieces container. Place the used filter in the used filters container.